going to Botolan, baby! From Liwliwa, we drove further north to continue our Zambales journey. This time, we're heading back to a place that feels like a full circle, Botolan. One of our first ever vlog episodes last year featured this town. Back then, I was just figuring things out with my camera, with my voice, with this channel. Now I return a little older, maybe wiser, still chasing sunsets. We checked in at Sunset Oceanview Resort, our home for this leg of the trip. A quiet beachfront property nestled right along the shore of Botolan. It's simple but special, with clean and spacious rooms, uninterrupted views of the West Philippine Sea, and best of all, that golden hour light that makes everything feel cinematic. We stayed in one of its Igloo-inspired rooms. With a touch of white and blue, it's giving a Greece vibe. Ito na po may checklist. May travel checklist. Hello! Nagra ulong ah. Oh! Of course. Ang magulong gamit, pero may space na siya. If you're looking for a peaceful escape away from the tourist crowd, this is one of Botolan's best kept secrets. Botolan isn't flashy. It doesn't scream for attention. But maybe that's the charm. For the mystic tourist, it's the kind of destination you go to when you just want to rest, away from the buzz of the city, yet close enough for a weekend road trip. And for international travelers on a slow travel route through the Philippines, Botolan offers a raw, quiet coastline, warm people, and the kind of sunsets that make you pause. Too bad it's kinda cloudy during our visit, so we missed the beauty of the sunset. In other parts of the country, it's actually raining really hard. But here, we got lucky, so I flew the drone to capture as much as the blue sky and gentle waves as I could. I spent most of the afternoon just playing with the waves, and for a moment, I wasn't a vlogger or a grown-up with bills and deadlines. I was just a kid again, chasing waves, laughing at the sea foam, letting the ocean remind me of how small we are and how beautiful that can be. This is what I like about our beaches in the Philippines. Oh my god, our places are so underrated. So for me, it's really high time for everyone to go out of Metro Manila or go out of your respective province and go to the nearest province with a lot of good beaches as well. Zambales. This one is Botolan. Hello my friend Alon. Come please. Oh, you're so gentle my friend. Oh, this one is gorgeous.
With you the sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Oh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling. Never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do. I wanna marry.
Before the sun dipped into the horizon, we headed to Sundowners Botolan for an early dinner. The vibe? Rustic, romantic, and relaxed. It was the perfect continuation of my birthday celebration. Good food, salt in the air, and the glow of the golden hour wrapping around everything.
ko naman. Sabi naman may love yun sa Karen mo.
Hello, ito mga bagong standard eh. Ito, iba? Don't you remember the checklist? Marami rin mga maayos. Sa beachfront na siya. Pero mostly, yung mga pumupunta, mga locals lang. Kasi, yun nga, hindi naman din sadyain mo pag pumunta ka ng Pilipinas. Hindi ka na pupunta ng Zambales. Ang usually, pupunta ka Cebu, pupunta ka Davao. You'll be going to Palawan or Siargao. Pero yun, we don't lack good quality resorts or restaurants or hotels. Even just a few hours away from Manila. Pero yung maraming mga Pinoy, saan ba sila pupunta? Saan ka ba pupunta doon? Cebu. Kasi it needs to fly. Correct. Cebu. Usually naman first choice Cebu. Especially yung mga taga Metro. Pero for those who would like just a quick reset, nagiging popular na rin naman yung Zambales.
Kahit maputi na
Ako yung mahal na rin, pangakong ikaw lang.
Ano naman magagalas?
sundan mo sana ang
Sa bayan.
mundo sa
Sa bayan.
katawan mo ay aking pupulutan.
I just want to thank you for the past few months of being with me. No? And right now, we are here in Botolan, Zambales at Sundowners. So we're celebrating our birthday, our 21st birthday. So, yeah. So it's a very, really nice place to be in, especially during weekends when you are just in Metro Manila. It's like 3 to 4 hours away from Manila. So sobrang masarap siyang puntahan, masarap gawin. Later that night, we sat by a bonfire. It was Sunday, and the town, like many sleepy towns in the province, turned in early. There was something comforting about that. No noise, no pressure, just the stars and the sound of waves. I slept in more than usual, but birthdays are meant to be slow, aren't they? Eventually, I got up, grabbed breakfast, and took more photos and videos.
Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. When I wake up in the morning and I see your face, I'm becoming blind by your dazzling grace. What a beautiful feeling to be close to you. There's nothing else I wanna do. Ooh, and from the fields of flowers you chose to pick me. You're spreading sugar on my misery, and I don't think it's time to be.
So we're now entering the hotel. Tara na, ligo na tayo.
Ha?
Ligo na tayo.
Dito saan, dude?
Dagat.
Dagat?
Yes!
Dito kita din.
Habang maulan.
Ha?
Before we left, we went back to the beach for one last stroll. One last play with the waves. And I found myself quietly reflecting. A year ago, I was here, trying to make sense of a new chapter. This year, I'm still figuring things out. But I've learned to enjoy the ride.
Do you remember me? We haven't talked in a while. How you used to dream before you gave up your smile. When you were young and free, built castles in the air. I wanted to find you, I'm here to remind you, no matter how hard it gets, the years and the tears you spent are worth it all. It's worth it all. Don't have to live with regrets. Look up and lift up your head and stand up tall. Stand up tall. Don't sleep on your dreams. Tell me, can you see what you know not?
Ang sarap ng record ko. Naka-timelapse pa lang. But medyo malakas yung wave. Oh!
Till it's hard to believe.
So perfect siya for
Oh,
surfing.
but I know that you're gonna be going where you're meant to be. No matter how hard it gets, the years and the tears you spent are worth it all. It's worth it all. Don't have to live with regrets. Look up and lift up your head and stand up tall. Stand up tall. Don't sleep, just bring it to life. Work through the night, give it some time. All the future is bright. Don't turn away, 'cause you're gonna break through, child. No matter how hard it gets, the years and the tears you spent are worth it all. It's worth it all. Don't have to live with regrets. Look up and lift up your head and stand up tall. Stand up tall. Don't sleep on your dreams.
Welcome to Botolan.
No, don't sleep on your dreams.
We're at the beach. Before packing up, I made sure not to miss the pool. It's small but surrounded by palm trees and the sound of the sea. Ayan, welcome to Santorini. Wow, napaka-Santorini. Love the area. You come here. Visit. Alright, so it's time for the pool. A little bit. Alright. Nice pool, ah. This is an igloo type accommodation. Maganda sa igloo kasi malamig siya. And then, ang ganda, gusto ko yung blue light sa ilalim ng kama. So, parang ang sarap ng matulog. So, the nocturnal person in me nakatulog ng gabi. Because of the blue light and ang ganda kasi ng ambience. At the same time, somehow, medyo pagod din. So, ang ganda sana ng puno na to, no? Kung hindi lang siya nasira. Hopefully, maayos pa siya kasi ang ganda niya. Lakas siya makapagbigay ng ibang feel. It's like Los Angeles feel. Pero yung ano mo nasa Greece, diba? Ang lakas maka-tropical. This is actually a mini bar. Kaya lang ngayon, since it's Monday, so wala silang guest. Kami lang yung last guest of the resort. So right now, ano siya? Look at what's in front of me. So, sit tayo dito sa chair. Yan. Sit tayo. And then, masarap dito tumambay sa hapon. Tapos, ngayon medyo makulimlim yung panahon. Pero, kapag maganda yung panahon, especially during summer, you should come here. And you can stay here. Sobrang mura lang nung ako. 5,000 pesos or actually 4,999. Good for 2 people already for 1 night with free breakfast na. Hindi ko na nakunan yung breakfast kasi gutom na kanina, tsaka medyo bitin ako sa tulog, kaya hindi mo ganun kaganda yung gising. Pero ngayon, we're done swimming by the beach, which is nasa harap ko. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung pool. Makikita nyo rin sa drone shots ko. Tapos yun yung beach. Ayan. And I think kapag maraming tao, baka sinatanggal nila yung pagkakasara nitong gate para kita mo agad. Meron kang access doon sa playa. Sure. So yan. Then nakikita nyo yung napakalawak na napakahabang beach area ng Botolan. It's like a whole beach area talaga. Medyo malilaki yung ano. Malayo yung mga boat na dito. Ngayon yung mga tao na sa shore, the past few minutes, the past few hours, wala. Kami lang yung tao sa shore. Diba? Nice yung environment. And also, I think Botolan has a party area as well. Rooftop. August 30 and 31, meron silang din up. On the drive way back to Manila, we stopped over at Subic. Hindi ko na alam kung meron dyan. For late lunch / early dinner, we went to the Subic Bay Yacht Club. Their pancit, highly recommended. And the view, a perfect contrast to the rugged coast of Botolan. Polished yachts, docks, calmly, like reminder of the stillness and luxury. This birthday trip wasn't grand, but it was real. It was the kind of trip that reminded me of where I started and how far I'd come. Sometimes, the places we revisit hold the answers we didn't know we were looking for. And sometimes, the waves we play with today are the same ones that carried our younger selves to shore. Till the next episode, this is Valendez, and thank you for watching. Sobrang sulit the past 2 days. Yesterday was my birthday, and today is definitely on to the new year. New beginning, new life, and new adventures. So, it's time to explore more of the Philippines and more of the world.
I burn a hole in your sofa, trying to be so